Welcome back. Now, when you create an integration, it's assumed that it's going to happen immediately. However, you may not want the last action to happen immediately. You might want there to be a delay before the last action takes place. And so if that's the case, you're going to add in another Zapier action. You're going to add in the action someplace between the first and last step. You're going to add in the action, and this time you're going to choose a Zapier delay. And you will see the delay happen. You can then choose a specific action event. The action delay for a specific period of time. You can have the action delay until something else happens. You can have it delay after a time in the queue. So we're going to choose delay for, knowing that we can choose the other two for specific instances. We're then going to click continue. We're then going to write in the literal time that we want the delay to take place. Now, the time delay is going to be based on the unit you choose. So we're going to choose the days unit, and we're going to delay the action for 1 calendar day. Now, we can choose different parameters. We can choose minutes, we can choose days, we can choose weeks. And those are all the choices that we can make. Once we do that, we're then going to click continue. Now, basically what we're saying is that we don't want the following step to continue until 1 day has passed. Now, we can decide to change our mind about this step. We can go to the ellipsis, click delete step, and our Zap is in its original state. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.